Spoil Producer. Today we're going to be talking about tires. So let's get started. Alright guys, so the time has come. My 2019 R6, she's finally got new shoes. So I've recently crossed over the 8,000 mark and my tires went bald, particularly down the middle. I developed a pretty bad flat spot just because I ride slow in straight lines at all times. But yeah, I finally had to change my tires from the stock Dunlop D214s. The stock tires, they serve me pretty decently, considering I got like a bit over 8,000 miles on them. Again guys, I don't ride fast, I'm a slow rider. I did a lot of touring on them, and for a tire to last you something 8,000 odd miles, that's not that bad. The grip on it wasn't that bad. Again, I haven't taken it to the track, so it's not a real test, but they weren't that bad. So what did I replace the stock ones with? So I went with the Dunlop Q3 Pluses. So I was recommended these tires by a lot of people. Now I did a lot of research into tires because it's kind of a commitment, because they're going to be with you for a few thousand miles. But then again, you know, I could probably go through a few thousand miles in 1 month with the type of riding I do, since I really enjoy touring and long distance trips. But my goal out of these tires is I want to get at least like 5,000 something odd miles out of them if I can. These are still relatively new tires. They say that you gotta scrub in new tires, and when you're on new tires you gotta pretend that you're riding on like in the wet, right? So they get a little slippery because the manufacturers, they put a coating on it for the tires that you got to scrub off. As you guys can see, I'm on the parkway right now, and I'm actually heading to Bear Mountain, right? So this is the first time I'm actually going to hit some twisties with these tires. My favorite twisty road is closed. Oh shit, look at those. There's freaking turkeys on the road. Gotta be careful, nature's out here. Whoa, shit. That's a car you don't see every day. Alright guys, so somehow we magically got morphed to a ice cream shop outside the Twisties. But the other explanation is my battery died. But yeah, we made it out. We made it out to the Twisties, guys. This is the current status of the bike. As you guys can see, my chicken strips are nice and juicy. But yeah, you guys can tell that these are brand new tires. Even these little rubber threads are still there, so hardly broken in. So I'm just gonna take it easy, because I have even contacted the surface, mostly because there's traffic ahead of me. But yeah, let's see if we can get a good run. But these are the Dunlop Q3 Pluses, and they looking official. The bike with new shoes, she's looking good. But yeah, brand new. It's got the rubber fur on it, I guess. But yeah, so far these tires, I mean, I couldn't really tell because I haven't really pushed it. But this is the state of the bike right now. My OEM tank guard, it's already kind of messed up after not that long. But yeah, the bike's looking clean and shit. Performing good after the spark plug. So we are right outside of Greenwood Lake in Jersey. There's this stretch that connects like kind of Bear Mountain, Seven Lakes Drive area that I like to run. But you know, everything is dependent on how fast the car in front of you is. So this dude got pulled over, so let's get past this dude. Let's go a little bit slow, but as you guys can see, the popo's out already. So I don't want to get whatever, but we're witnessing a pullover in progress. It sucks for this dude, so we're going to take it easy until we get out of this cop's line of sight and make sure the spiker's safe. All right, let's see what we got. Like I said, I'm taking it easy on the Twisties, just testing them out, see how they perform. I have not contacted the sidewall of these tires, but it looks like it's a little bit clearer. No traffic in front of me, so they feel pretty smooth, I'll tell you that right now. Yeah, the Q3s are feeling pretty smooth. So let's hit this corner. Let's not hit oncoming traffic. Yeah, I'm taking it easy, but yeah, I mean, they're smooth. I can't really tell the difference between the stock tires, but everybody's been saying that these tires are like amazing and all that, but honestly, the real test is if you get to the track. But so far, I mean, brand new tires, they're feeling smooth to me. So again, like, I'm not a fast rider, guys. I'm just kind of hit it conservatively, but I like how there's no cars in front of me. And you can see the fall foliage up ahead. So it's early fall. Luckily, there's no leaves on the ground. But yeah, so far not that bad. Here's a nice turn. See if we hit this turn a little bit. Have some fun with it. Line turn. All right. I love this road though. It's windy. It's got different like uphills, downhills, some different camber. But the fun's going to end soon. There's a car in front of me. Like I said, you only can have as much fun as the car in front of you. So this is where the fun ends. To test out these tires, you really need to be at a track, right? Or where this road is empty, and it's probably going to be empty at dark, where it's kind of, you know, sketchy, where you can't see shit. Yeah, there's no passing opportunity, guys. So I'm just gonna, luckily that guy let me pass. Thank you so much. Not a lot of people do that. All right, guys, so let's continue on. Not that I was gonna go fast anyways, but we got downhill. Let's not hit a car. Here's a nice turn. Let's test out these Q3 Plus. No knee dragging for me, guys. On the downhill, okay. So far they're pretty responsive. It tips in. You know, the handling of the R6 is always awesome. The bike always likes to lean in, so that's the advantage of having a sport bike. Just, you know, tear up these curves. But I think I missed the bulk majority of the good turns here, you know. It's a good left-hander. Oh, I hit something. I hit like some roadkill on the road. I don't know what that was, but yeah, not bad, not bad. I mean, they say these are confidence inspiring, you know. Like I said, I don't go to all the way to the edge on the street. Not that I have the skill to do that, but you know, what I'm looking for is, you know, decent enough grip and long distance. So I mean, if these tires only last me like 3,000, I'm definitely going to switch to the Continental, or not Continental, the Pirelli Angel GT2s. So let's hit this left-hander. This Benz was going kind of hot. Alright, I think this is the end until we get to the next set of Twisties. Yep. So we hit this little byway here. And the sun is setting, so it's going to be my last run. I gotta get home. I just wanted to do a quick test of these Dunlop Q3 Pluses, but yeah, I don't know what I'm supposed to feel. Like I said, guys, to really test out tires, you gotta test them out on the track. You feel the edge and the grip. But so far, yeah, not that bad, not that bad. I did, on the stock tires, I had the back slip out a few times on occasion, you know, but that could be any tires. Like I was taking a turn like this, kind of like pretty hard, and I think my back tire hit a little tar snake, and I felt it wiggle a little bit. I was like, oh shit, that kind of was like, all right, let me take it easy, especially if there's tar snakes and stuff. But yeah, I mean, I think the lean-in performance, the tip-in performance is a bit better because, you know, I was riding with a flat spot in the middle of the tires for the longest time. So, did this lane merge? Left lane ends. Damn, I really don't want to follow any of these guys into the next set of twisties. That would suck. Hopefully they make a right turn. Yes, thank you. Thank you, sir. That dude's all blacked out, man. Shit. Helmet, like even the... Still some bumps. Alright, let's hit these twisties, guys. Let's test out these tires a little bit. Someone's doing donuts here. You can see the tire marks. Alright, it's getting a little dark. Just gotta be cognizant of that. So I'm gonna turn on my high beams. I know it's not recommended to turn on your high beams, but fuck it. I don't want to hit no deer, guys. I need visibility. I know turning on your high beams is kind of a polarizing topic, but a lot of guys, you know, they turn them on all the time, you know. But at the same time, you don't want to blind like other drivers and all that. So, all right. So it looks like we got a clear stretch of road. Like I said, I'm gonna hit these conservatively. Just gotta feel the tires. I'll tell you this, guys, when I ride this shit on my Ninja 300, I just feel it's a lot more fun. Oh dude, this freaking van just hit across the double line a little bit. That's why street riding, guys, street riding, sometimes, you know, you definitely gotta be careful, man. Look at this dude, holy shit. Alright, I gotta ask this dude to test out the tires. He looks like he was testing out the tires. He was freaking going for it. I took that turn pretty slow, but okay. Just staying in 4th gear. Hiker crossing. Blind turn. One time I did turn and I did see a freaking hiker before, so. Alright. Okay, so this is nice. We got a little open road and stuff, so. Not the smoothest of rides, but you know, we gotta do what we gotta do, right? Alright, so that kind of ends the section of the twisties, guys. Wait, I think we have another set over here. Oh damn, you see this dude was crossing the double yellow again. His freaking tires were on the freaking double yellow. It's freaking SUVs, man. That's why I always take it easy out here, guys. You never know. You never know, especially all these like blind turns. You know, I don't want to be flying down this shit right into a freaking soccer mom SUV and all that. As you guys can see, it's a great view out here. Great place to test out your tires. Testing out these Q3 Pluses. Oh, the kayaks are out too, man. Nice. All right, so that kind of ends my stretch of, you know, a quick test of these tires. I can't say a final verdict, but this is like the first, maybe this is the first time I really hit the twisties on these guys. So first verdict is, I mean, yeah, they're pretty good, but I'll definitely update my reviews as I get more mileage on these tires. I'm going to end the video right here, guys. This just was a quick test of the Q3 Pluses. It's too early for me to give a verdict on these. I'm definitely going to make another updated review video when I've actually exhausted the tires. I want to see how many miles I actually get out of them. But yeah, I mean, not bad, right? Like I said before, obviously can't really test it properly on the street. I'm not gonna get the performance out of these on the street. You would only get the performance on the track, but this is a good street slash, you know, occasional track day tire. So yeah, but anyways, guys, this is your boy Il Producer, gonna sign out right here. So until next time, peace.